Hey everyone! So, one of our viewers was facing a really annoying issue with B06. It kept crashing right after launch with error 0x1. He went live on Discord and I tried to guide him through fixing it, but since he was kinda new to all this, I sent him a simple script to do everything automatically. And guess what? It worked. First, I asked him to open the directory of B06, copy that, and paste in the chat so later on he can easily copy it. Then I asked him to use code and make a .bat file. I will show that process on my screen, which is more useful for you. So we recorded the whole process to help any of you who might be stuck with the same issue. If your game starts crashing right after launch, the problem is usually with a broken game service or a messed up directory. This script fixes it by resetting the necessary service, rearranging the directory, and making everything work properly again. Once you run it, it will disappear after applying the changes, and after restarting your PC, the game will repair itself automatically. First, download the script. I'll share the code in the description so you can make it yourself. Open Notepad, paste the script, and save it as a .bat file. Click on the file, Save As. Now save as type. Choose all file type, then give it any name. This will save the file as .bat format. Right-click the .bat file and select Run as Administrator. You might see a Run Anyway pop up, just allow it. It will ask for your game installation directory, paste the correct path where your game is installed. After that, the script will apply the fix and close automatically. Restart your PC and launch the game. It should now work fine. This method has worked for multiple people, including our viewer who recorded the whole process. If you're still having issues, double check that you entered the correct game directory. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and don't forget to like and share this with anyone struggling with B06 crashes.